Hi, it's Ty. My name is Aidan Flores. Now, I know we haven't been on air recently, and I apologize for that, but we've recently had to move studios and Mitz ran away, but don't worry, we have him contained for now. We want you to know, though, that we are all okay. Mitz maybe not, but we will soon be getting back to our regular scheduled program. So please, thank you, and stay safe.
Tomorrow, bring your money for food sale day.
Good morning and welcome to EBTV News. My name is Tyler McMurray. Freshmen, congratulations to your new officers for the class of 2026. Shermy Ortega, President. Vice President, Marcus Maldonado. Business Manager, Oliver Hartman. Class Representative, Richard Moda. We are now in round 2. All nominees will be called to room 315 during 7th period today to receive instructions for this round. What happens next? Next, these semifinalists are presented to the students who will select the finalists in round 2, September 19th through to the 23rd. Semifinalists will submit an application in the form of a Google slide, in which they highlight their accomplishments at EBHS. They will also submit a video that includes 30 seconds of prepared remarks based on their questions submitted by staff members. The final round will take place during homecoming week, September 26th through the 30th. Students will vote for the finalists that they feel represents the legacy of Betty and Bobby Blade, who will serve representatives as ambassadors of the EBHS Blade family with honor. These students will be announced during the homecoming game. As was the case last year, nominations and voting will take place via Google Forms. That will be emailed directly to staff and students via their currenthigh.org email address. Each person will be allowed only one vote in each round.
8 staff members are needed to assist with the halftime presentation of this year's Betty and Bobby Blade. Contact Ms. Shannon ASAP. The Tabletop Club is postponed this Tuesday due to homecoming week, but we will resume this Thursday as originally planned. For the updates about what is happening on the Tabletop Club, join the Remind. The code is D20DND.
Fall baseball conditioning has begun. If you are a returner player, practice will be Monday and Thursday from 3:30 to 5. And all new players will practice Tuesday and Friday from 3:40 to 4:45 p.m. Anyone interested in participating needs to have their sports physical completed as well as their SportNet item completed. If more information, please visit our athletic page at eastkern.org or contact Coach Chavez and stay up to date with baseball announcements by following the unofficial Instagram page at Blades Baseball. For anyone interested in wrestling practice starts September 26th at 3:45.